Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning. And today we'll kind of, once again, just be going over the markets as well as covering some of the biggest names on the stock market. We'll be mostly covering over SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. We also have QQQ, which is the ETF for NASDAQ, as well as like big names like Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. Right now, we have seen the market kind of jump slightly, pre-market. A lot of swings that are betting on the futures are looking really solid as well. But yeah, in some other news, um, we do have some stuff going on with Snap saying major business restructure is coming, and they confirm basically a 20% cutoff on the staff. So if that wasn't bad enough for Snapchat, and the fact that I believe they're down nearly 20% pre-market currently. Yeah, if things can get worse, there's also social media firms would also have to consider a children's health bill on the potential new California legislature. This bill really what it does and what it talks about is um, social media companies oppose the bill, arguing that differing state laws regulating their apps make compliance quite difficult. However, they were talking about also if you would prohibit companies from exercising precise geolocation tracking unless the child is notified, and would ban companies from using children's personal information. Again, a lot of social media companies use these to run ads. So when you look up certain data points, whether it's on Amazon or whatever it is, you are probably looking up something that's related, and that's how they'll run type of ads. Like for example, if you're looking for Fitbit or something like that, most likely speaking, you'll be getting ads that are kind of along those lines as well. But again, a lot of this has to deal with how basically social media companies can optimize ads for their audience. Companies found to violate the rules could face injunctions and could be fined up to $2,500 per affected child for each violation, and up to $7,500 if the child violation was international. Now, this is pretty insane because, as far as we're aware, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, those three alone will probably take up millions of children around the world. And so this could be a huge lawsuit if the social media companies do not comply. So we are really thinking about what's going to be going on here with social media and especially Snapchat here because this is a huge hit that Snapchat, Facebook are both going to be hitting today. Um, but yeah, other than that, um, hmm, we also have Bed Bath & Beyond, talking about how 150 of its lower producing namesake stores, and reducing the workforce by 20% across corporate chain. This is really big for Bed Bath & Beyond. It's really just going to show brick and mortar right now is still has not recovered from the basically bounce back from COVID. So it's really overall just not looking great for Bed Bath & Beyond. Current supply chain issues still do not seem to have recovered in any sense or in any type of form. Bed Bath & Beyond did say though to win back customers, they want to bring back popular national brands um, as like a part of their merchandise. They want to create dominance as preferred shopping destination, so people aren't necessarily going to the mall, grabbing their clothes, and then thinking of Bed Bath & Beyond as the last thing, but rather that's the reason why they kind of want to go into the store or the mall or whatever it is. Some of Bed Bath & Beyond's declining same store sales. 27, 2018, not terrible, minus 1.3, minus 1.1. As we got hit by COVID, we did see minus 7% consistently, but this Q1 was really, really rough, coming in at nearly minus 23%. Again, this doesn't show the whole picture because we still have the next 3 quarters to go. However, just even a single quarter coming in this low, very, very rough for Bed Bath & Beyond. Um, Kramer talking about Bed Bath & Beyond is a JCPenney too. I mean, hey, maybe we have to go to the opposite side. But yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond definitely just been on a roller coaster for a little bit here. But yeah, very interesting stuff coming out from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, I also did get a question a little bit earlier about, you know, Caleb, how many indicators do you use, and like how many should I get good at? But here's the thing, there's so many indicators out there that it's really damn near impossible to kind of understand all of them at the same time and kind of use all of them to actually profit your trading. In my opinion, you really need to nail down like 3 to 5 indicators if you want to get into indicators that you can get really solid at and understand its ins and outs. For me, I personally look a lot at Bollinger Bands, exponential moving averages, as well as stochastics. A lot of other people, they like getting into MACDs, but overall, most of the time these indicators will be lagging, meaning that when you do get certain crossovers or like when you do get certain things that signal that it is a buy or sell signal, sometimes that these callouts can be kind of delayed. So just knowing that and going into indicators, that's kind of how you want to analyze it. Same goes for before you even get into those indicators and you know really try to get a deep dive into technical analysis, I highly suggest understanding the very fundamentals of volume as well as just understanding what basic support and resistance is. Even right here we see like psychological resistance, right? This happens a lot, especially on SPY. We have like the 400 level here. This level is not a level that was necessarily hit terribly much in the past. However, we do know that this is going to be a place where traders are going to have some trouble with in terms of bouncing back and forth and holding different levels around this 400 level. Once again, just because psychologically 400's a really big number, and there are psychological levels called like double zeros. So that's when you have like the 100, 200, 300, or like on the dollar you have double zero at the bottom. You also have the fives, which is or the 5 so that's like the 405s, 450s, $1.50 type of that, and it kind of goes along with that. But yeah, that's kind of what I would just generally say. Don't try to learn as many indicators as you can at the same time, and just try to pick a few. And if you're getting into it, that's completely fine. Just go with the beginning few then. Stick with exponential moving averages. Just get into it. Understand some maybe VWAP, but yeah, definitely say support and resistance and volume. Those are like the first 2 or 3 things that you should be kind of getting into when you get into technical analysis. But yeah, today it's going to be looking kind of interesting though. I think we may retrace, meaning that we may jump to the upside here. But yeah, overall we'll kind of just need to see. Because again, last Friday we had this really strong move down. But yeah, this kind of just usually means we don't really get terribly much movement to one side or the other. But we get typically like a lot of chop, but we'll see. But yeah. Okay, sorry. We also have what's going on here. What's in other news? Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond obviously down huge right now. Bed Bath & Beyond trading at roughly $9. They closed yesterday at 12.20. um, yeah, this is definitely not looking great for Bed Bath & Beyond. They also had a minus 9% day yesterday as well, leading into a minus 20% day. So yeah, not looking extremely solid for Bed Bath & Beyond. Again, as I was talking before, the psychological like levels. So Bed Bath & Beyond, this would be like the $10 level. Um, Obviously, we weren't able to hold that till open, so just not great, I guess. So yeah, once again, kind of just need to wait on this, but yeah, today should be quite interesting. I think we're getting a lot of people that want this move up on SPY, and it does look like we're kind of holding this 400 level, pre-market at least. But once again, I mean, it's not necessarily looking great. You know, we're getting a very strong. We're trying to recover from what happened yesterday and on Friday. These two extremely strong moves down. But once again, if we do get this move up, and most likely the top of this move is gonna be 406, and then we're gonna probably pull back to 404. In another case, we also may potentially just have a slight pop up in this morning here, get chopped down, and then move lower to this back to retest this 396 level. The reason why I see this playing not so well is because, you know, as I was saying before, a lot of people, retail investors mostly, they want, or retail traders, may I specify, they want this implied upside, but it's not necessarily guaranteed because of the fact that, once again, we've had two extremely strong moves in the morning here. Not necessarily back to back, but yeah, it's just most likely leading to a decent amount of chop here, most likely. But yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, today should be interesting. Yeah, it is crazy because the next level I have for this is like 392-ish. So it's actually more of a hope that we don't break this level here, because if we do, this most likely won't be looking necessarily great for the overall markets. But yeah. Market is now open though, so oof, not opening above 400. Not great, but not terrible either. A lot of swings on calls are looking very, very solid. We are getting a buy signal here on the 1 minute though. However, once again, this is like the early morning. I tend to try not to play this very often, just because once again, things can flip on its head very, very quick. But yeah, rather quick sell-off here for the most part. But once again, not looking terrible, not yet at least. A few positions doubling overnight for my friend here. We have Google as well as Square calls doing extremely, extremely well. Some people wanting to go like Tesla calls here. Just straight on open. I don't mind the idea, to be honest. Tesla, I believe, is up 0.72 here at open. So probably gonna be targeting the 285 calls here for 2.65. Once again, these isn't necessarily what you want to see it open, to go calls. We are getting very, very large wicks here though, however. Yeah, wow. Very, very large wicks. Tesla's moving very fast. Very fast indeed. Yeah, this is almost brutal, actually. Meta moving to the upside as well here. Thinking about taking this Tesla play to the upside here. We are selling a bit off here on Tesla, however, though. And probably continued downside here on Tesla as well. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle close. We still got another more minute 46 here on Tesla. Making sure we're not getting like absolutely killed on the wicks, not yet at least. Yeah. Pullback looks relatively strong. We're most likely going to bounce at pre-market here. So if we get down to this level, this is like the area I'm looking to buy, 278.24. If we get down to that level, I'll probably be buying, that's 285 call. Again, I think I like Tesla to the upside here. We made like almost like a bullish flag yesterday, so I think we come and tap that. I think we're looking relatively solid. But this is a rather aggressive sell-off by Tesla, though. Extremely aggressive, actually. Wow. Okay. That just broke through this support line that I kind of had. Maybe not looking to enter. Again, 5-minute. We have another 40 seconds here. Oh wow, this is strong selling by Tesla here. We are getting a few buy signals here on Tesla as we are continuing to fall. This algo is... It looks solid on Tesla, don't get me wrong. Do I have full confidence in it right now? Probably not. Yeah, I mean, it is. We're getting double back-to-back buys here though, however. In theory, we could go 285, so roughly 2.2 would have been the entry. This algo is roughly 70% on the 1 minute for Tesla, so I mean, I wanna not fade the algo. However, I mean, this looks insanely strong. Yeah, this is very, very rough to the downside here. Yeah, this is breaking through basically everything right now. Again, we typically do have volatile openings. However, this is extremely strong. Hold on, what's SPY doing? SPY doing kind of the same thing. Extremely strong sell-off. We are making this bounce back now though. However, the question is, are we just bouncing out of nowhere, or are we trying to actually look for upside here? Oh, wow, Tesla's just... I mean, this is crazy. We open at 280, we're already at 276, already $4 move on Tesla. Within, I don't know, 6 minutes of open. Tesla selling off really, really fast. SPY not doing the same, not yet at least. But I mean, wow. That is rough. I don't think we even got the open before before 100 is the thing on SPY. So I think we have continued downside here. A lot of people were still super bullish this morning, but yeah, we're still getting continued buy signals here. Looking very, very rough for the entire market here right now. Yeah, and that's officially, we're breaking yesterday close. Tesla now negative on the day, minus 0.41%. Wow. I mean, yeah, for this to be the open, this is very, 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 very scary. Just following even overall market, I mean, almost just looks like puts and then holds for a little bit here. 3940 is on SPX is kind of what I'm looking to hold here. Again, this could be early morning flush. We still have not gone through the first 15 minutes. But wow, Tesla's just going into the dirt. I mean, yeah, that nearly $5 move on Tesla here. Straight at the open. SPY 5-minute chart. Yeah, looking a little deadly, but we are getting a buy signal on the 5-minute, however. So something to take note, I guess. Options, prices, again, so another reason why you don't want to chase trades here. Chasing trades can be really, really bad for two reasons. First, psychologically, when you miss your trade, it really does suck. But also when you chase a trade, the option itself, so to go calls, they actually get more expensive with their premiums. So that when you are chasing, you will be buying the call for a lot more expensive than you would have been if you would have just waited on a candle that wasn't as big. So if you do get the breaks and you miss your entries, don't terribly worry about it. You mostly could get a reset. However, yeah, that's another reason why I don't necessarily want to chase trades here. Especially after like a big type of reversal as you guys just saw. Yeah, this is a very, very strong move on SPY. And think that this will be trying to retest this back up to the upside here. But yeah, I mean, either way, this is a very, very volatile open across the board. This very, very quick sell-off into this buying back. RBLX, apparently. Also another one to be looking at here. Or opening a little bit higher. Trying to go for a quick scalp. Roblox here. Hello, tree. Morning. Hello. This morning was insane, by the way. Like, first 10 minutes. Tesla made like a full like $6 move for open. Like, yeah, $6 move, or sorry, $5 move in like 6 minutes or something. Yeah. No, no, well, I don't ever like playing like the exact open. I just saw it falling. I was like, okay, it's got to stop eventually, right? And it's just like, no. On the woman, it looked crazy. It just it looked like we just had like another Fed meeting or something. It just went doot 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 doot. Yep. Mhm. That's why I'm scared. Our open wasn't even at 400. We got a sub 400 open, so maybe it's a put type of day. But we've also been, what, 3 days in a row now? Super aggressively down. I don't like it. I know that there were a lot of people that were bullish today though. Is a good question. I kind of want to grab SPX calls. Maybe just one, you know? Test this in the morning type of thing. Yeah, that's fair. Ooh. Oh, I already got in. Oh my god, tree. Oh my god. Hold on. Shut up. Oh my god. Uh, I just got in and out for 50%. Yeah. I couldn't even get this. I was like, fuck the card. I just need to get out. I got the 42% card, but I was like, after that, I was like, no, hold on. I think it peaked at nearly 65% at the top of the candle. Yeah. Potentially if we get down to 400 for the re-entry, but I think it'd be kind of dangerous. Tree. Guess how much? Guess how much my small count's up on that single trade. No, no, I didn't all in, but my small account, I only bought one contract too, but my small account's up like 18% on that single trade. Should have just full ported. But oh my, that I couldn't even speak just because of how quickly that moved. Uh, okay. Oh my gosh. No, cause really? Oh no. I didn't think it'd be that fast either. Should have just held too, you know? I think we are bullish too, but it's okay. Yeah, 401.25, 401.3. That's where I have it. But hey, I'll take a 50%er to start the day, any day of the week. uh, but yeah, tree. My entrance was SPX, 4040, calls at 3.2, and I got out at 4.75. Potentially. Yeah. If this candle ends red, buy it on the 1 minute. Premiums will be the lowest. I guess you could pick it up now, in theory. This would be the best time to buy, as long as we don't head lower in the next 30 seconds. Oh, well, that turned interesting. Well, I was greedy and I made 50%. No, I'm just no, you're right, you're right, you're right. You got another 42 seconds till 5 minute candle. Tree, but I do have to say, backtesting like an algo and like getting really good at it. Like, look at this. It literally called the exact bottom on the 5 minute. Yeah. No, but like, Tree, do you want to see the data I've been pulling for this? I don't think you want to see this. Look at this. This is the amount that I've been doing to find the best setting on the Bollinger Bands. I'm actually going to do an article about it too, but you know how the default settings are 20 and 2? So I backtested all the way till I think friggin' January 1st, 2000. So it like TradingView has like this deep backtesting setting that you can only get with like their premium thing. I did the free trial just so I could see it. But the 1 minute it's 67.69%, 5 minutes 67.87%. So it's not bad, right? And then on the 4 hour and day chart it goes really high, right? Like 76% and then 81%. However, I mean, it is still with like some of my own settings, like with stochastics and RSI, like kind of it's like verification settings, you know. So like it only signals if like both stochastic K and D are like under like a certain level type of thing, you know. But even so, I mean that's crazy numbers, right? But then I was like, my entire oracle is like, yeah, you know what? Kind of screw like. What the default is. I'm gonna go and find like the actual best setting for Bollinger Bands, and then this is kind of what I've been doing. And yeah, currently right now, the best settings that I found for just every single thing, like 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever. I mean, there are ones better for like the 5 minute or whatever, but the best ones overall is like 18 1.86. So yeah. Again, that's if you're pairing it with stochastics though and RSI, but generally speaking, 18 1.86 is very, very strong. Yes, sir. On the 5 minute is like 69.6%, but I mean, you could also go to like this one, 17 1.27. It does nearly 74% on the 5 minute. But again, that's like more specified for the 5 minute though. This one's just like overall really solid. Like I think on the day chart, oh wait, what the heck? I didn't even look at this. On the day chart, it does 85%. Look at that. We got 3 buy signals on a row, Tree, on an 85% algo. You gotta go long. No, this is the day chart. But, I mean, hey. Exactly. Tree, you can't fade the algo. No, but this actually is insane. I didn't realize it was 85%. Oh my. It's actually a lot more than I thought it was. 18, 1.86. Okay, I'll highlight that on this. But yeah, Tree, I don't think you understand how much time that this has taken. This is... I think my head was gonna blow up, to be honest. No, but, like, I think my article idea is kind of cool, though. Like, I kind of started off with, like, here, it's like this. I haven't, like, done the actual stuff for it, but it's like, I found the best settings for bowling bands. Well, kinda. Over 1,500 data points with nearly 1 million backtested trade. Isn't that also crazy, by the way? This is 1 million. So 6 length, 1 standard deviation to 2. That's 1 million backtested trades. Anyways, sounds like that'll do it, right? No, it's not. And if, as you read the following, please do not repeat what I did at home. You may not have a life. And then, yeah, I go into that, and then, like, conclusion, I was like, question everything. If a trading guru on Instagram tells you that they have 80 to 100% accuracy algorithms, they're either lying or they're one of the best coders in the world. Question their time frame, settings, and indicators they use. But, yeah. I just thought it'd be like a cool idea type thing. Also, I genuinely just wanted to know, you know? And I guess I haven't finished it yet, but I have a pretty decent idea now, like how like overall trend works for Bollinger Bands going up and down. Okay, we still have increasing volume. We're at a resistance here at this 40125 level as stated previously. As long as volume keeps up, I still like this to the upside break. I think we're still kind of part of like a flag here, potentially. However, yeah, breaking under 450 and then 434 would kind of send us a little bit too low. But still, volume is starting to come out here on the other 2 candles, however. Need to hold this 9 here as well. Sorry, what did you say? 4-1's the low? Okay, let's see. Here's a tap onto the 21 here. Wait, I'm actually really curious. I think this is the highest I've ever seen on the day chart. Like, I mean, for like my settings I've been going through. I didn't know it was 85%. 4 hours, 77%. It's not bad. Yeah, that's true. No, but tree is actually insane though. I entered. Okay, 9:44 and 19 seconds. I exited and 9:45, 9 seconds. It's literally 50 seconds. I made a percent a minute. Or a percent a second. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Trey. We'll catch the next one. We shall catch the next one. What? Oh my goodness. Also, wow, that was a really quick touchdown to 400. I completely missed that. I didn't. Yeah, I didn't even. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, is this still sub? Oh, it's over, it's over. Yeah, that's what we always want though, Trey, right? Did we ever quite get it? That was the question. 5 minute just looks brutal. You wick down to like, what was this? I don't even know what this level was. But you wick down, wick up to that level, wicking back to pull back. Oh yeah. Oh, anything going on? I don't really know. I did some coverage on like Bed Bath and Beyond. Also, do you see Snap? Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Wait, what? Snapchat was almost down 10% pre-market, and now it's up 9%? Look at this. The 15 minutes before market open. It jumped from 916 and peaked at 1150. Wait, what? I've never seen that before, ever. That's insane. Oh, yeah, jeez. That is the question. I'm looking at the 1 minute right now. Algo set to buy puts at 40110. The funny part is it's not even giving a buy signal on the bottom of these, like after we break this Bollinger Bands. I'm getting a buy signal here on the 1 minute. Bro, what is this? I got a buy signal at 499.14. Tree. What? No. We literally just came off of like a falling knife. There's no way we go up. What is this? We just had 4 increasingly large and with volume red candles, and we just get... No, this has to be the pausing candle, right? No, there's no way you're bush golfing off of that. I think the fact that this candle's even green here is very impressive. And it's still increasing volume? No shot. Don't go up here. No, I will actually be sad if this goes up. Also, Trey, also like one of the funniest things about all this is that somehow this algo does it at this like decently, like 70% is like not terrible, like you know 70% is not bad, right? But somehow it does it 70% without knowing any support or resistance. I didn't code support or resistance into this at all. Yeah. Well, also, I don't think I'm that good of a coder either, because to code support and resistance, like on active chart, you basically need to like you know what I mean, right? Like it's, oh really? Maybe I'll just steal trading views code. Hmm. Maybe I will. I'll look into it maybe. But it's just hard because then I need to create even more validation, you know? I'd have to validate not only Stoke, not only RSI, but also I need to validate that we're not, but that's so hard. That we're not like touching this, but the chances of it going off at that level is like, that's really weird. I'll have to think about that some more. But yeah, I'm looking at it, okay? You don't need to tell me. I can be sad. Let me be sad. Yeah, okay. Please, like for my sanity, go down. There we go. Yeah, it really isn't. It is quite depressing. Well, yeah. It is a very, very good thing, indeed. Yeah, you probably would have got burned out for like a stop loss. Because you probably would have caught it around like, what, like 467, maybe? But, yeah. This is some weird, weird movement. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, but did you see the flow I sent yesterday though? That was coming in. Um, like in terms of buys on the watch list. No, those are share buys. Wasn't that insane? Yeah. Seriously, they think that this is the low, I guess. Really? Right, yeah, yeah. That's funny. Decreasing volume here though. Maybe. Yeah, that's fair. Also, I've now realized if you buy a SPX, like in the opposite direction, off of like a big candle, like it goes for anything, but SPX more so. If you buy off of like a huge red engulfing candle to go calls, like if you would have just like bought it off here, like hold on, like if you would have bought calls like right where the signal entered, this is you actually make like 20% on this move. It's like it's insane. Like it happens for everything, of course, but this is this is just I mean, the premiums just go so juiced on like selling off or one-way directions. Yeah, it does look a little funky. But also it looks like it's like 1, 2, 3 up and then 1 down on the 1 minute. It's just like do 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 do. That's insane. But yeah. No, Tesla contracts are moving super fast, by the way. I was looking at them this morning, thinking that I was gonna buy like a call at open. Um, I didn't, but I just saw that the contracts were moving like really, really fast. I mean, I haven't traded Tesla in a minute, but it just was moving a lot faster than I imagined it to be. Ooh, SVX 40-30 call, potentially. I kinda want it. You love to see it. Yeah. I'm getting in another SPX call, by the way. Yeah. True. Alright, there we go. Come on, keep going. Up and up and up. Nice. Come on, keep going up. Oof. Slight pullback. we're doing alright still. Still up a little bit. Little bit. Come on up. Oof. Stop will be below this wick if we can create this wick on the bottom here. Come on. Alright. I don't know. I'm kind of getting less confident about this position as soon as I'm in it. Yeah. Alright. I'm getting stopped out. You hate to see it. Hi, Coven. Coven is in the chats. Oh, video yesterday. Very good, Coven. I really liked it. Again, I know you're saying like clips and stuff could be better, but I think it was solid, especially for your first video. I think your first video, it doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be like okay, but it's just something that you can kind of just look back on. Because I think it really helps like in the future when you do stay consistent, when you have like 10, 20, 40, 50 videos out, and you can kind of just look back and kind of be like, wow. Kind of learned a decent bit from that, but yeah, good video though. It's good. It's better than being rash. That's kind of rough. Oh. If we break this, by the way, I guess we have aftermarket lows of yesterday. But past that, back down to 396, I guess. And 397 maybe, but this is no bueno. We are getting good volume though, I will say. Like, very rather consistent volume, for the most part. Yeah, kind of just waiting on Spy to play out. this not great. Is Tesla or anything else moving better? Ooh, I mean this might not be for a while, but potential Tesla wedge, maybe? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hey, we had all the fun in like the first 10 minutes. Where'd it go? Yes, sir. It does. Maybe it's just me, but I'm very surprised by this volume. Whoa. This is a big candle on not a lot of volume. Yeah, I was gonna say, this is an interesting one. Oh, hey Justin. Yeah, right now we're kind of just going over whatever. Did catch... I'm doing alright. Not too bad. I caught a 50%er pretty early in the morning, so feeling pretty good about that. But yeah, overall movement right now is a little bit choppy. We got a lot of movement within like the first 15 minutes and then kind of died down past that, but yeah. Not terribly bad, not yet at least. But yeah, we shall see the... I don't know, it's just overall kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know. SPY is doing this, QQQ pretty much doing the exact same, and then... I mean, Tesla is doing the same, however, it's actually kind of consolidating a little bit more, so potential wedge play here on Tesla is kind of what we're looking for. Trey, what's up? You okay? Oh, bless you. I was like, I didn't... No, it just sounded... I only heard like the last half, I was like, what the... Oh my goodness. We bounced for the wedge. Definitely consolidating here. I think we're having a breakout soon. Though, I mean, we're kind of sticking on these big levels. I kind of want calls too. I want this to be increasing, not decreasing though, at this, but I don't mind this. If we get like slight pullback, maybe I go SPX again. It's kind of the thoughts at least. SPX 4030 is 3.1. It's kind of what the look is right now, but oh man. this is looking pretty bad. I don't know. This is so choppy. And we wait again. Yeah, I mean, I really do think though we come down to like 397 if we break this again. This will be like what, 4th time testing this? $39.55s SPX. Oh, that's the close under. We probably get a slight pop up here. Maybe? No. Yeah, I think we retrace half of the candlestick, and then we head lower probably. There it is. Alright. Well. I did enter one put, just very risky, but I like this pop-up here, so I'm getting the 39.55s for 4.4. Just hoping that this candle doesn't come and kill me, but it's not a great one, but yeah, I like that pop. Oh my goodness, come on, what is this? It really is. I'm just waiting for like a non-existent breakout, to be honest. Oh, that is nice though. That's really nice. Up 20% on the position. I'll take it. I'm just leaving my stop for break even, I think. We need to engulf this though. Oh, what is this bounce, man? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it definitely is to some extent. Let's see, parallel channel. This is kind of weird though, the channel, at least. It's a bit sharper. Yeah, something like that. Oh, do I exit tree? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'm back to break even, so it's whatever. But oh, that's brutal. That, my friend, is bad. It's fine. I'm glad I only bought one contract, but yeah, I'll have my stop. Top of that candle. That's what my stop will be. That's officially top of the channel too, by the way. So, yeah. Not terrible. Oh my lord. Can we just come down with this channel, right? Big red engulfing candle. No. Does not seem to be happening. Yeah. I got out of my position, minus 40. Not percent, but $40, but it's fine. The first move today is just saving me. It doesn't really matter as much, but I swear, if that was the tap, that's really, really annoying, actually. That is unbelievably annoying, actually. I actually can't make this shit up. Oh my lord. Whatever. I go from a minus 10% loss to fucking plus 25% gain in like 10 seconds. Sure, man. Go for it. No, but that close is really confident then. We're gonna finish this channel, probably. Yeah, I re-entered another one. Oh, okay. I re-entered another one because I'm annoyed that it should, but I don't know. They're also following this like another trend line down here. I'm gonna sell out if we get to 397.98. I got a really solid entry because I caught it basically while it was falling. Alright, just come a little bit further down. Alright, bang. I got one out. Oh my goodness. I am, but I really honestly should have just waited until the end of that candle confirmation. I don't know why I didn't. Yeah, I mean, that's another thing, but... yeah. It probably isn't. That's fine. I went minus 40 on the first one and then plus 60, so I guess I netted within the 5 minutes, but... oh, that's... yeah, I don't know. Top of the channel again here. No. The only way I would buy calls is if we get the actual body of the candle outside of the trend line. If we get that, then yeah. But until that happens, I wouldn't. I'm literally just buying puts off this top of the trend line, so I'm not selling. I still candle close, so. Nice. Alright. Maybe exiting another puts here. Come on, keep going down. Nice. Alright, got out my second put, 25%. Oh yeah. Yeah, this upper trend line is extremely strong right now. Oof, what a move down. Probably would have closed like nearly like 40% there, but it's fine. My timing today is just slightly off. This is the second trend line let's time up though. It's making like a sub trend line, like in consolidating through, but we break through this, which looks like we are. Probably head a little bit lower here. 397.19 is the next target, 60-cent move. We are not, however, though. Not body of the candle, not yet at least. Sheesh. Alright, upper trend line here again. Potentially. I wouldn't terribly mind it, I'll be honest. Oh. Alright, well, we have a minute to decide if we can actually hold above the trend line. As of right now, it looks like we are. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. 40-20 calls, 4.6. Super tight scalp is what I'm looking for. I do too, however, it may be too late as well, as we might start running towards the end of this close. Oof. We did get the close run up. It's a decent amount of selling, but I don't mind it. However, on this break, we may come and retest the upper trend line if we want to move higher in the short term. Kind of thinking pathing is gonna go. Oh, did we get the test already? No, I don't. Oh, we do. Big fake out. Yeah, this 5 minute looks super nasty. No trend happening there. You got nothing but the 5 minute. I did get that top on the upper trend line though. SPX or SPY? Okay. So did I. Which ones do you buy? 40-25s? Okay. Alright, alright. Yes, sir. Alright. I mean, I guess stop will be just a few cents under the trend line. I don't know. I don't think you can be any less aggressive with that. If we break in back into it, oh my lord. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, so close. And that's why we wait for close, ladies and gentlemen. And we head back lower again. Oh my. This looks to be the close-in. If we retrace here, oh well. I still have a break even. Yeah, retracement there by SPY. We knew the retest was coming, just not that quick was the expectation. Yeah, puts printing. But yeah, once again, when we have certain breaks, right, especially engulfing breaks, usually, you know, we get some kind of pathing up, you get this move up, and then you get like same kind of movement down to retest, and then that's how you kind of position the thing to go long, right? So it doesn't always happen like this, but generally speaking, you do get, when you do get pops up, you usually do get a slightly larger move up into a retest, into the higher move up. Once again, here kind of shows that you need to wait for candle closes. We did break out, but we did need to hold it. Also, no really confirmation on the 5-minute there. 5-minute just looking super choppy, no trend really being formed other than down. 1 minute we did have it, but once again, patterns on the 1 minutes mean pretty much just as little as nothing, so yeah. Unfortunate, but we move. Increasing volume here on SPY into these puts, which I like. I like that a lot, actually. We need to break this like second trend line that we're kind of forming though. If we do, I think, yeah, I think we see a quite easy dollar move to the downside, but I've not broke it yet. Dang, gonna bounce. Whole lot of chop. Yeah, SPY just coming down on this kind of like channel here. Okay, SPY's boring. I can't look at SPY. Oh wow, Dre, QQQ's channel? It's just so much cleaner. Yeah. Yeah, this is not even, there's no even pop-outs. I mean, there is slightly, but this looks very, very clean. Sorry, messing up my trend line. Yeah, very, very clean move on QQQ here. A lot cleaner than SPY. No fake outs, really. Yeah. What else? Tesla. SQQQ position printing off pretty well. Tesla, same thing. I mean, overall market's just been in this channel coming down here so far still. SPY's the only thing that just decided to fake out. Decent amount of people with their engulfing break. In theory, going SPY or SPX puts here, not a terrible idea, once again. Just playing, I guess, SPX off of QQQ. But this might be the break, potentially. 10 seconds here. Do we pull back in? It looks like it wants to, but we don't, I guess. Maybe? Yeah, for the most part, no. But once again, like the SPY break, we want to see this retest onto this upper trend line level at the very least. Potential break. This is what we've been waiting for, Tree. Alright, yeah, 40-25s. Nice. Should probably switch over to SPY. Trading SPX off of QQQ. We need to break these local highs though. We've held it like basically 5 times. Do like that though. We need to keep pushing up. This volume isn't great either, looking kind of weak. So I believe this is the 100 EMA here, is that what it is? 921, or is it 50? Might be the 50. But yeah, pretty important area here to break. There we go though. Nice. Contracts up 20%. We're gonna let these keep running, hopefully. Another 15 seconds till this candle closes. And we need to see increasing volume. Options chain staying pretty silent overall. Nice, huge move. Nice, holy. Yeah, I'm getting out of 1 here. Alright, got out of 1 for 42%. Still in the other. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm later than Tree, I think, though, right? Tree, what are you up right now? Yeah, Tree got a better entry than I did. Sigh. Clean, though, clean. Did you only pick up 1, though? Okay, I got you. Alright, I'm setting stop loss for second, sub 398.76. We break back under, that's fine, but I still like to move to the upside, even if VWAP is here.
Caleb, it's pretty nice on Mondays and Wednesdays. My teacher for the 10 a.m. class, she doesn't come into the classroom till like 10.
Oh, wait, what?
It's always open, so I'm just sitting in an empty classroom.
Oh, what the heck? Yeah, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid for sure. Ooh, rejection. Ooh, we did hold the 398.76 area. This other contracts, yeah. Out for 10%. Whatever. 42 and 10. I'll take it. I will take that all day. If you're still looking to enter, 5 minutes is probably going to be your friend. Yeah, overall holding these levels is going to be solid. You want the 5 minute candle close over 398.76, or 73, sorry. And if you do, you'll probably still continue to run up. This is a very large break here for SPY. Very large break. I mean, wow, this is impressive. This is like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, like 5 ticks coming down. And same thing with this bottom kind of trend line as well. Again, not the cleanest on SPY, but QQQ looks definitely a lot better for this. Remember, we may still eventually get this retest. Something to think about. I'll add another one if we close over. Another 30 seconds though. It's just moving so fast. It's like actually insane. If we get close over, I'll like it, but honestly, volume's not on our side. No, you're good. Have a good one, Justin. Yeah, of course. Have a good one. No. Yeah? That was on a decent amount of volume. Yeah, I got the calls on VWAP break. I'm already up 20%? What? What's going on? Oh no. Ashton's chain was just bugging. What the heck? Oh my goodness, do we not get close over? Imagine. Oh. Tree. Tree. I got out, by the way. I got out for break even. I don't like that we're not closing over on that at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably not trade for a minute here. Yeah, this is very, very rough here. Big level right here, on SPY, and we're just not coming above it, like, at all. Unfortunately. We are still holding this 9 though, kind of. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't get closes over VWAP. I guess, yeah. Also, we had 15 people come in for the stream today, which wasn't too bad. But yeah. for this stream. I am gonna call it here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a good one. Peace.